YouTubers, right, so we're using double stops on this one with some hammer-ons and some lovely flavors. I love these double stop sort of licks. They just add flavor to your style. There you go. Bit of grit, bit of melody, and it's just great, those hammer-ons also. So we're starting with the double stop on your 10th fret. This time it's on the 1st and 2nd strings. This kind of brings us into shape 2 of your pentatonics. Okay. Now with this, I'm hammering on to only the 12th fret of that 2nd string. Then you're back to the 10s on that same string, so your first finger doesn't move. So you should hear the 12 and the 10 at the same time with that. It gives it that sort of discordant vibe. Nice. It's actually a minor third, but there you go. So then we move to the next double stop, which is the same thing, but because of the tuning difference on these two strings, we end up with that. So, okay, which is the 9 on your 3rd string, the 10 on your 2nd string, hammering on to the 11 only on the 3rd string, keeping the 10 in place. Then we have simple little 7, which is the D note on your 3rd string, to the 9 on your 4th string, which is your B, going back to that 7 on your 3rd string. Then this bend is the important part, or one of the important parts of this, where I'm slightly getting a little pinch as I go through with this, and also don't try and bend it straight away, which you can, adds a different flavour, but for the purpose of this lick, I was a very slow burning bend right to the top. Almost not really reaching that bend as we get to the end, but you do reach it, but it just feels like you're not going to make it, put it that way. So if you can apply that little pinch, not so that it's Zakk Wylde screaming guitar or squealing guitar, but you want that kind of almost Billy Gibbons-esque sound coming in with this, and that really does help. So with that, you got add the vibrato on the top if you can. Then you've got this descending run through the blues scale, which is really nice. So 7 on your 1st string, 10, 7 on your 2nd string, pull off that one as well, and then you have a picked version, unlike the first lick on day 1, where we have 10, 9 and then 7, finishing with your root note of B on your 4th string, 9th fret. Oh my god, words, they're escaping me. So as you hadn't gathered, they're all in B minor, these licks. There you go. So that's it, that's your lick. So I'm going to play it slowly again. So I've already done it a few times during this lesson, but let's see how we get on. So 2, 3 and 4 and nice. So as I said, the backing track is on my Patreon page, linked in that description and in the comment as well, pinned comment, and you can find that free. Yep, I know, Patreon free on the members area. You do have to sign up to become a member, I'm afraid, but I don't do all this for nothing. So it's one of those things where you can help me out by just becoming a free member. That would be really cool. And you'll find stuff on there from time to time that you might find useful as well. Now, if you do want the tab, that's also on there in Guitar Pro format and in PDF format. And that is enough. Apart from, please do subscribe, hit that bell button for all future notifications, and visit everything that you need to visit: TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I won't go on X because I don't really like it. There you go. All right, nice one. See you later, everyone, and I shall see you tomorrow for the next lick.